Hey Poli Glow family, this is Len, one of the owners of Poli Glow, and I just wanted to take you through our two applicators. They're a little bit different, but they both provide a streak-free application of Poli Glow. First, you have our Poly Mitt applicator. It's a special coral fleece microfiber. It's highly absorbent, and it also provides a streak-free finish. The nice thing about this is once you have it on and you're using it, you can easily get into all the nooks and crannies and around some of the tight spots, especially in an RV. This is our 7-inch applicator. It comes with a chamois applicator that's also highly absorbent and applies a streak-free Poli Glow finish. With this applicator, you can also get into all the nooks and crannies. You just have to release the Velcro and take the chamois off, and then you can get into some of the tight areas. Let me show you how to prep our applicators now. You want them to be damp or moist, not soaked with water. It's very simple. What you do is you take some water and you wet them. You do the same thing with the 7-inch applicator. You just wet it gently, let the water soak in. I would squeeze this out. With the mitt, you can easily wring it out. You want to get all this soaking water out of here because all it does is cause streaks and lines down the finish. And then you want to apply Poli Glow. First, you want to just shake it up gently. There'll be a red cap under the turret cap. You want to take that out. And then you apply a few lines of Poli Glow. That's it. You want to evenly distribute this, so just wring it gently. And now you're ready to go. Put it on. You'll have vinyl gloves on underneath. You apply Poli Glow. You can reapply Poli Glow to the mitt as needed. Same with the 7-inch applicator. You want to simply put a few lines of Poli Glow in here. You don't want it to be soaked. And then you're ready to go. So if you want a streak-free finish, you want to use Poli Glow, a gloss that's boss.